The water hike announced by the government has shocked the people of Goa. Very importantly, who is affected by this hike? It is the middle class, the lower middle class, and those who are just above poverty line. Now, such a hike for water is only showing how this insensitive government does not care for the middle class, the lower middle class, and the poor people. It was said very clearly by Winston Churchill that giving the power to these rascals, and when I say rascals, the present government that is in power throughout the country has brought tears to the eyes of the poor and the common man. May it be price rise, maybe everything, now even water. Even this, it was said that even air will be sold. And right enough, during the pandemic, people have seen that even oxygen was sold at high prices, and that also could not be available. We had said, the TMC had said, the vote for the Congress in Goa would be the vote for the BJP. Today, those people, the voters that voted for the Congress, have joined the BJP and supported this price rise. So, our request is trust the TMC. TMC is here to serve the people of Goa. Thank you.